Hi there, it's Ernest from TripAstute. In this video, I'm going to review an interesting perk of the Priority Pass Lounge program, one that lets you receive credit toward a restaurant in the airport. Priority Pass Lounge access is a popular perk for some of the premium credit cards like the Chase Sapphire Reserve, American Express Platinum, and Citi Prestige. The benefit gives you access to 1,000 lounges in 500 cities and 130 countries. We definitely love having it and have used it quite a bit when traveling. In fact, I think we used it like 7 times last year, mostly when we were traveling in Europe. Some of the lounges were pretty basic, but others were really nice. And the fact that we were able to eat and drink for free definitely helped us to save money and was a lot more comfortable than waiting near the gate. Plus, the Wi-Fi is usually better in the lounges, which really helps when you're trying to get some work done. One thing that I recently learned is that Priority Pass now provides restaurant benefits to its members, especially in airports where they don't have a lounge arrangement. Fiona noticed this recently while she was flying out of Denver. She searched on the Priority Pass app for a lounge and found that the airport didn't have one, but instead was offering a $28 credit at a restaurant in the airport called Timberline Steaks and Grill. Each restaurant offers a different reimbursement amount, mostly between $28 to $30. To use the benefit, all you have to do is show up to the restaurant and let them know that you plan to use the credit before being seated or placing your order. You don't have to register online, but you may have to show your membership either in digital form or with the physical card. Some also have fine print in regards to the gratuity and alcohol, and whether it's included in the credit. You'll want to make sure that you review all the details before going in so you're not caught off guard with the final bill. If you do plan to use this benefit, here are a few things to keep in mind. Number 1, you can bring one guest. All of the restaurant offers that I saw allowed you to bring one guest to the restaurant to also receive the benefit. For example, if I was at the Miami airport, I would receive a $30 credit for dining at the Corona Beach House. But if I was traveling with Fiona, she could be my guest and I would receive a $60 credit for our combined meals. Number 2, bring your Priority Pass card as a backup. While I noticed that most of the restaurants listed showed the ability to scan the digital Priority Pass card, you may want to still pack your traditional plastic membership card just to be safe. You definitely don't want to lose the opportunity because their digital card reader is down. Number 3, international airports are included. If you look at the list, you'll see that many international locations are included. For example, Australia has several restaurants listed in their Brisbane International Airport. This perk is definitely not limited to US lounges. Number 4, check the dress code. I noticed that some of the restaurants have dress code requirements. Just make sure to check the details, especially if you're dressed casually at the airport. Overall, I think this is an awesome benefit of the Priority Pass program and provides even more value. As you all know, food and drink purchases at the airport are expensive, so anything that can help to offset the cost is always welcome. It's these sort of benefits that help me to justify keeping my Chase Sapphire Reserve, even with the annual fee. Have you tried using the Priority Pass restaurant credit benefit? If so, please share your experience in the comment section and let us know if the food was any good. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If so, please give us a thumbs up and consider sharing our video with others that might also benefit or enjoy our content. We're trying to get to 5,000 subscribers by the end of June, and we would appreciate your help getting there. More importantly, we love hearing from folks that our videos are helpful, so if you know of anyone that might benefit from our content, we would love to see it shared with others. Until next time, travel safe, travel smart.